We've all been there. Sometimes you're looking for a tasty bibimbap and in the process, find something even more delicious on the internet. Like this unassuming Korean diner that is well known in Rogers Park. Noon Hour Grill. It's an amazing one-woman show run by Susie Lee. Her food is a hybrid of Korean and American classics, like the kimchi omelet with American cheese, for example. That sounded right down our alley.
Eat? You want to eat, Nico? No, sir. We'll find out. Daddy?
No, look at the camera.
Look here.
Look at the camera.
No? You don't want to look at the camera? No. You like cocomelon, Nico? Pretty cool. Good.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Nico, you gotta sit down right here.
It's just scrambled eggs with like hamburger meat, veggies, a little bit of rice on the side. Good stuff.
And Nico's having toast.
Yeah, we go.
Yeah, that's it. So I got the kimchi bulgogi omelet with rice. Obviously. I was gonna get the bibimbap, but I couldn't resist it. It goes really well with the rice. Very home cooked. What sounds like?
That's pretty good. The kimchi is cooked, and the bulgogi marinade also kind of like gives it really good flavor. So that's a good omelet. Good one.
You put sauce on it, right?
I did.
That sauce is really good. It's very savory.
Do you have any favorite Korean dishes? After our badass brunch, we went for the mandatory post-meal coffee at the Common Cup.
Nico, what do you get? A croissant?
Yeah, croissant.
Nico likes croissants. What are we singing?
Hoobastank, The Reason. I think it's a pretty good song. The band name doesn't go with, but
To the song. I agree. You excited, Nico, that you're walking? Yeah.
hope you're enjoying the better weather, and do let us know what other interesting foods you are hoping to find here in Chicago. Catch you in the next one.